In this lesson, we're talking about how to calculate food cost. So food cost is a calculation that's done normally every month in the hotel. And what we want to be able to do is figure out how much did it actually cost us to generate all that food revenue. And the cost of sales calculation is relatively straightforward. We take the opening inventory, we add our purchases, and then we subtract the closing inventory. We divide that number into the total amount of revenue producing the food cost. But before we do that, we want to take into account our credits to the food cost. And typically in a hotel, we will give credits to the staff cafeteria, and actually sometimes the bars actually use food in the preparation of cocktails, so any requisitions for food to bars also need to be credited to the food cost. In many hotels, they'll calculate the actual food cost and then compare it to the potential food cost. And what the potential food cost is taking the actual costing for the menu items, and if we worked in a perfect world where there was no waste, what would the potential food cost be? And usually there's a delta between what the potential is and what the actual is, and really the difference between that is food that's lost either to waste or overproduction.